from Typewriter Minutes. Today we're going to be showing you our Hello Kitty typewriter.
Yep, and we are selling this Hello Kitty typewriter. Why do we call it a Hello Kitty typewriter? We'll show you in just a minute. Here's the bottom of the typewriter.
Yep, because it's pink in the inside.
Oh, somebody spilled the beans. So we got new rubber feet on the bottom of this. You can see the bottom is in excellent shape and the case is in excellent shape. Jonah, if you'll take the camera.
It's really pretty.
I'll lift that off.
And it's so pretty. Nice pink.
Yes, so there is our Hello Kitty typewriter. It's a Brother Charger 11, which we have customized. We took out the original gray foam that was on the bottom, put in some hot pink foam. Also did a custom paint job on this front aluminum faceplate. And I don't know if you could tell from this light, but you'll see it in the type test. The ribbon is black and hot pink. That's right, black and pink. So we'll take a quick look around the machine. We've reviewed other Brother Charger 11s and it's just like those. Just a little bit of a variation on the colors. So I'll hand this off to Jonah. Well, let me show the features and then I'll hand it off to Jonah. It does not have a dedicated an exclamation mark, so you got to use a lowercase L. And how do you do an exclamation mark, Jonah?
You do an apostrophe, backspace, and then period.
That's right. Over here we got the ribbon color selector for black, stencil, and red, although in this case it's pink. And then we got the carriage lock on here. There's your carriage lock, so when you're ready to type, it just flicks back like that. And when you're ready to put it in the case, this guy just toggles back and forth. When you're ready to lock it, that comes up. Pull this over and it locks. So we'll get it off carriage lock for the review. Does not have a tabulator, it's just kind of a basic machine. It's got your backspace, caps, and caps lock. I was going to show you, it's kind of a lightweight carriage shift, not basket shift. Carriage shift, but it's very light because it's a ultra portable machine, very easy on the pinkies. Over here, it's a single carriage release lever on the right side. You can hear the bell there.
Bell.
And there's your paper release lever. If you get the paper in crooked, just pull it up like that, scoot your paper around, and then it comes back down. It's got paper bale without rollers. It's kind of a triangular shape, so you don't have to worry about the paper bale rollers getting hard and cracked. This machine, now I'll pass it off to Jonah while I take the ribbon cover off. Other than the feet, which I did have to replace, the rest of the rubber on the machine feels like new. So the rubber bumpers under the ribbon cover, there's 4 of them, 2 there, 2 on this side. Those feel like brand new. So this has been kept somewhere in storage in a climate controlled area. The original rubber grommets under the ribbon cover, the original gray ones, a lot of times those are hard and cracked or missing. These are super soft, so just like new. Same thing for the space bars, or the bumpers under the space bar, sorry. Usually I have to replace those because those are hard and cracked or missing, but those are just like new as well. So when we do the type test, you'll see the ribbon in this light kind of looks like pink and red, but it's actually, I'm sorry, it looks like black and red, but it's actually black and hot pink.
Pink.
Inside here, you got the nice clean type basket. We did have this thing completely apart. Give it the chemical clean. Got a new ribbon with eyelets already installed. And the eyelets operate the ribbon reverse system. That's what these little forks are for. So the ribbon, when it's almost out, that eyelet triggers that fork, then it starts going the other way. And I don't always mention this, but this little ruler here by the Platen has a little divot on this side and that side. And you can stick a pen or a pencil in there and do either horizontal or vertical lines. That's what that little slot is for. And if we come up here, you can see it's got push and slide margins. Thank you, Lily, for demonstrating. Over to the back side, this back part is plastic. On some of the chargers it's metal, on this one it's black, which goes with our custom Hello Kitty color scheme. Paint is just in excellent shape, nice bright white, very few scuffs. And then over here, we're doing this review in the late afternoon, so we don't have the normal good light that we have. But you can see, you can't see it in the light, but there's numbers on there for your line spacing, 1, 1.5, and 2. And then the R is all the way in that position. And if you put it in R, that releases the clicks, so you can do your fine adjustment wherever you need to. So that's your line spacing right there. No paper guide on these. Most Brother chargers do not have a line or a paper guide, so you just put your paper in at the 0 mark. The thing I love about Brothers, and I know we say this on just about every video, or we mean to anyway, the Platen is super soft. Just feels like original. You can stick your thumbnail in there and it's nice and soft. So you get good typing results, and you don't have to worry about the cost of getting your Platen recovered. So Jonah, I don't know if I've missed anything. This one I believe is pica. Yeah, it is pica because the numbers on the ruler only go up to about 80 or so. So if you like nice big letters and numbers, this machine just might be for you. When you put the ribbon cover on, it's got 2 posts, one there and one here. And this to Jonah, and those just go in these 2 gray rubber grommets. Like so. And then one of the things I always do when I sell a machine, or even when I don't, I make these little foam covers to go on the handle, because when you put it in the case, this handle goes down, and a lot of times the paint on these little Brothers is chipped right here because this can bump up against it. So make these little foam covers to put on the handle. That way you can put it down and you don't have to worry about the paint getting scratched. So I think that's about it. Well, I showed you the case at the beginning, but I'll show you one more time if you're not familiar with the Brothers, how to put the case on. Go ahead and put the little foam piece on, push it down. So this has, if you can see it, 2 little posts. Joni, can you get that? There's one there, it's kind of dark, and one there. Those go into the little slots in the back of the machine. There's one there and one there. So when you put the case on, you want to come over the top like that. It's a little more snug since we got that foam handle on there. And you just kind of jiggle it a little bit and watch out, Lily. Bring it forward, and then you'll hear it click into place, and you know that it's locked because you can lift it up and the typewriter comes with it. And then to get it out of the case, you just push these 2 black buttons on the front. Don't lift straight up. If you just lift straight up, those black posts on the back of the lid can snap off because they're still in the little holes on the back of the case. So you push the buttons, lift up a little bit, and then push it back and off like that. And you can see it still has the original factory sticker inside. And then the last thing we'll show you before the type test is it also has the original instruction manual. So it's kind of nice. You can get reproductions, but it's always nice to have the original. So we'll go ahead and do the type test next.
And now for the type test.
Okay, I used 2 pieces of paper, even though you probably only need 1 with the soft Platen on these things. Brothers have a super snappy touch to them. Excellent little machines. This machine does not have a tabulator. I think I might have mentioned that, but if not, no tabulator. It's just a basic design, which means the fewer things it has, the fewer things that are likely to break. Okay, we'll do a couple lines on black. There's the line lock when you get to the end of the line. Margin release. typos. Okay, now for hot pink. Okay, I've got a few typos, but if you'll ignore those, you'll be able to see, pardon the shadows, it's getting dark. The print quality is excellent. Yeah, a few typos, but black and pink. And get this ribbon from Fine Line Ribbon Company. That's where I buy large reels of ribbon. I haven't bought a whole reel of black and pink, but thankfully to my friend Typewriter Justice, he gave me this spool with black and pink because he just bought a bunch of fresh rolls from Fine Line Ribbon. And you can see what an excellent product they provide. So excellent little machine, excellent output, and cool custom Hello Kitty colors.
If you are interested in buying this typewriter, you can contact us directly, or we'll put a link to the eBay sale in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Typewriter Minutes. Be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe. Bye.